Welcome to the Fix at 4, live every day at 4 o'clock, weekdays from Atlanta. This is Block 10. So today, Bitcoin has retreated a little bit, which is likely due to these hearings, although the hearings don't really have any impact on Bitcoin, but that's usually the way it is with congressional hearings, that they're cracking down on various businesses which they don't control because they want taxes or because they want to control the business with their monopoly friends or whatever is their agenda. But the market perceives that as negative, but it's really not negative. Hearings are irrelevant. And there isn't any other compelling reason why Bitcoin would be down, but it looks like it is struggling to get above the 7,000 handle here. So we've been changing the site a little bit, making the Fix page a little more user-friendly. So let's talk about that a little before we go to the gainers and losers. So now we have if you click on the price, you're going to see the source prices, and the anti-manipulation algorithm has redacted all of them. So it just shows you a sample, but this gives you an idea of what is the fix. And we're going to be making a sample fix for a token, which will be announced next week. And this will be the first non-major token fix for Bitfix, because now we're just fixing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other crypto majors. This will be the first altcoin that we're going to be fixing, and stay tuned for news on that. So the other thing, we've added the logo and the document, which is our mantra. What is the problem of cryptocurrency and why Bitfix is the solution? So the SEC declined, I lost count, I think 15 ETFs and ETPs regarding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And all their denial letters were effectively the same. We picked one from the Winklevoss ETF because Winklevoss is a little bit our favorite cryptocurrency company, just because of their tenacity to start something after being ripped off so much by Mark Zuckerberg. And they did buy Bitcoin, I think, in 2011 or 2012. So they are, in their own right, Bitcoin billionaires. And they're an interesting group. So in any case, the SEC explained in detail why they declined Bitcoin ETFs and ETPs, and we have responded with our comment letter, which we have sent to the SEC and CFTC et al. And this is the 3-page explanation of why Bitfix solves the underlying problem with Bitcoin. So for example, Bitcoin is subject to fraud and manipulation. So what we do is we take prices from exchange-traded Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin price aggregators. That means there are aggregators like Total Cryptos that have their own aggregated index price, Bitcoin exchanges, which is not necessarily reliable, but that's another data point, CFD brokers offering BTC, USD, and CFDs, and peer-to-peer Bitcoin systems, and we're adding other venues as they become available. So we take all these sources and we combine them into an algorithm which tests data quality. We average that, but that's not all. Then we have an anti-manipulation algorithm which will randomly mask, based on a genetic algorithm, 10 to 30% of these prices, so that a potential manipulator will never know what actually goes into our fixed price. And we believe that this robust methodology will prevent any kind of manipulation that you wanted to do on the price. Now, we're deriving all of this from exchanges as price data. So we don't actually pull any data off the blockchain because we're traders. So we're looking at price only data. But as we're looking at with the SEC, a Bitcoin ETF, this is a market product, really. It's not a blockchain product. In other words, when you're trading BTC USD against another currency or exchanging it, this is a market. This is not a blockchain. So we're looking at price data, and then we're evaluating that end data, which is the price, for quality, and then putting it into the Bitfix engine and coming up with our price every day, which looks like this. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, September 4th, 7,340. And you click on it and it shows how we got to that price. So if we look today, Bitcoin is already down significantly, 6,931. So we're going to be interested to see what the BitFix is today. And you can always check it for free at totalcryptos.com/fix, or you can see the BitFix tab here in the top menu. We're going to be making a lot of announcements in the coming days and weeks, so stay tuned to Total News. We're launching some trading strategies. We're going live with a bunch of products, our membership service, and we're launching an elite membership service for traders and a bunch of other things. So stay tuned to Total News and Block 10. We're going to stay on top of this crypto until we have it solved and it becomes the new standard.